Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing how to get that perfect black smoky eye, and I'll be giving you several tips and tricks so you get it right every single time. But before that, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for future updates. So without any further ado, let's begin. I'm starting with the primer, and the one that I'm using is from Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Honey. I'm applying with the concealer brush. Before I begin the smoky eye, I have applied foundation to my face because I like that feather look at edge. When you apply the foundation at end, that might clean up the edges of smoky eye and it will look a little bit sharp. But when you already have the base, it will come out really beautifully and you don't have to worry about it later. Now I'm going to lightly set it up with some powder, and I'm using loose powder from Insight Cosmetics in shade Ivory. Today I'm gonna be using Makeup Revolution Creative Volume 1 palette because it has all the required colors. I'm going to start with shade Artistic to highlight my brow bone using flat shade of brush. For transition, I'm going to dip into Equisite and going to apply very lightly at the crease. You can see I'm using very less color because sometimes when you use too much color, blending becomes a nightmare. You can definitely add more into this depending how intense you want it to look. But start with less color and slowly keep adding until you are happy with the intensity. Make sure you add more color to your crease, and as you move to upwards and outwards, it should become softer. If you like that intense black smoky eye, use black gel eyeliner as a base. One that I'm using is Drama Gel Eyeliner from Maybelline. This is my favorite from drugstore. I'm using a flat brush to apply it, and apply it all the way from lash line to the crease. Make sure you apply gel eyeliner especially to the lash line. Otherwise, some of your skin can peek through and it might look odd. I'm immediately setting with black eyeshadow from the palette, and the shade that I'm using is Black Heart. I'm gonna use blending brush that I used for crease one more time to make sure black eyeshadow is blended well into the transition shade. Now I'm applying the pencil liner to my waterline, then smoking out my lower lash line with some black eyeshadow. Brush that I'm using is a flat definer brush, and I'm softening the edges using the transition shade. I'm going to finish the eye look by curling my eyelashes and applying a coat of mascara. The mascara that I'm using is Zoom and Woosh mascara from Colorbar. I'm applying a good amount of mascara to my upper and lower lash line. Now let's go and finish rest of the face. I'm using my favorite blush from Colorbar in shade Flushed Satin, and I'm applying it to my cheekbones. Then adding some bronzer from Sugar Cosmetics. Now highlighting my inner corner and rest of the face using highlighter from Maybelline. The one that I'm using is Chrome Mettalic Highlighter in shade Molten Gold. For the lipstick, I'm using a nude brown lipstick from Insight Cosmetics in shade Coffee Command. All the products that I have used in this video will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it. So this is the final look that I have created so far. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. If you end up recreating this look, don't forget to tag me on my socials. My social link you will get in the description box. Also share your thoughts with me in the comment section. I love you guys so much and I'll see you with a brand new one. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.